welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do these lime green and white snake nails, girl. Alright, so boom, look, I cut out a lot of stuff because that video was going to be extra long and I ain't even big. So right now, I already prepped my nails and did all that, and I already glued the tips on, so yeah. Alright, so boom, right here, I just laid down the polygel, and now I'm just smoothing it out around the nails and stuff, around the cuticles. And yeah. Alright, so right here you see me struggling to get this lime green out. But I'm just putting the lime green down on the bottom and then smearing it so it look like, it's lime green at the bottom and then white at the top, girl. Alright, let me stop saying smearing. I'm applying, that lime green. Now I'm going back in with the white so I can just build up the apex a little, because then it was looking a little flat, but now it's looking a little fat. But we gonna make it work when we say out and stuff, girl. Alright, so boom, now you see me putting the white on top of that lime. You know how like red bottoms, they red at the bottom and then black at the top? Yeah, so when you flip it over, you're gonna see that lime green popping, baby. Y'all, this is my favorite nail, and I'm about to tell you how I did it. So I put the lime green down, and then I took a piece of my latex glove, but you can use saran wrap and like other thin plastic products. So then I just put it on there, and then I took a cuticle pusher and then pressed down on the nail to like kind of scrunch it up, and then I cured it. Now look, y'all, look at how it came out, like crinkly, like kind of marbly effect. Yeah. And then I'm just putting the white on top of it, and then when we foul, y'all gonna see what it do. So now we done with the application, and before y'all get your hopes up, I cut out a lot of the filing because it was just too much. It was too much. It was too much. Okay, pause. Y'all see that pointer finger? I know y'all see it. It look cool. It look raw. I did my thing. But anyway, I was gonna draw slat on that ring finger, but it just was not turning out. So then I just decided to put a money nail right there, and it worked good because it look cute still. So now we get into that snake. This snake was a little bit harder, but it's okay. I basically just took that lime green and then I pressed a little bit out and then swirled it around the nail and cleaned up under the nail so that, you know, it won't be like bumpy under there. I ain't want that. I did not show this clip because it was hard and I had to use a reference picture that was on my phone, but I drew the Billie Eilish like man thing on my thumb, and look at how the nails turned out. I love them. And now I'll put a cuticle oil around my cuticles, and on my hands and stuff like that. You gonna see my hands being glossy. Gee, y'all know I'm the queen of the out of frame shots. Like, this is really sick and I really need to get better at it. Like, it's really sick and it's really irking me. But anyway, look at how they turn out. And look at that freaking pointer finger. But anywho, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, or whatever the YouTube girlies say. And I'll see you on my next video.